back to another video. If it's your first time on my YouTube channel, karibu nyumbani. If you're a returning subscriber, karibu tena. In today's video, guys, I'm so excited because the things that we said we are going to do, we're going to do them right now. Do you know what we're talking about? If you don't know what we're talking about, go and watch the video that we made last week, because we had promised we are going to buy a trigger, a speed light, a softbox, and a stand. And I'm so happy to tell you today we have managed to buy these things. Let me show you them before we do the unboxing. The first thing that we managed to buy is the X2T trigger. So I'm going to tell you more about this. We also managed to buy the TT600. This is the Godox TT600. And I'm so excited to show you this, guys. We managed to buy the softbox. This is the Godox softbox. I don't know the name they call it, but we managed to buy this one. And the last thing that I bought, guys, the Kaisi stand. I'm going to show you these things. So let me explain this. Let me explain more about these things. Then we do the unboxing. The trigger. One thing I have come to know about these triggers is that they vary from manufacturer to manufacturer. You can't take a Canon's trigger and put it on a Sony camera or a Nikon camera. It's not going to work. That is something that I never used to know, but we said we are learning as we go, because I'm new to photography, as you know. And now you will get to know it's a Sony trigger by the S. It has an S here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me try hiding. But you see it has an S here. That is what will make you know that is a Sony trigger. Let's talk about the Godox TT600. This Godox TT600, I love it. The reason I like this trigger, I came to learn about it. It's a versatile trigger. And what do I mean by the word versatile? It can be used by any camera. The place that I was buying, they said I can use it on Sony, Canon, or a Nikon because of the attach, the thing that they used to attach. People made this, they thought of us photographers, because if you have a TT600, you can use it on your different cameras if you own a Sony, a Canon, or a Nikon. Thanks for that. The other thing we got is this softbox. This softbox, I don't know what to say about softbox because I've not used these things, but we'll open it. I'll show you the softbox and we'll try setting it out. Let's do the unboxing now, guys. Here is the X2T trigger. This is how the box looks like. Let's see what they put inside. Let's put this aside first. So this is the box. So I guess this is the menu that they show you how to use the trigger. Don't know what is this. Let's put this back and look at the trigger itself. So here is the trigger. This is how the trigger looks like. Oh, they have this thing to protect the connector to the camera. Oh, nice. So the trigger uses AA batteries. Let me show you the AA batteries that I'm talking about. These are the AA batteries that I'm talking about. And they go in just like this. The other side. Nope. How do they go in? This way. And let's close it. It's on. So I'm going to do my assignment and learn how to use this trigger, because I don't know anything about this menu, but we are going to learn as we go. Remember guys, we said we are learning as we go. So this was the first thing that we got, and it looks so good. Now let's unbox the TT600. This is what it looks like. Let me show you a close-up. Yeah, let's do the unboxing. So guys, I think these are the instructions. What else do we get in the box? Let's see. Same thing as we had in the let's put this aside and look at the speed light. Yeah, is the speed light. Because we have, yeah. I think this is the mount. TT600. This is how the speed light looks like. Let's see what it is. This side, let me see what it is. I don't know. If you know, tell me down in the comment section. What do we use this part for? This you have to unmount it using this one down here. That's how you can mount it. Let me get some batteries and let's power it on and see how it works. It's going to use 4 AA batteries. Then this other goes this way. I know that because guys, you can see these connectors. I don't know if you can see them. This one, it has no connector here, but this other side has a connector. So I'm just guessing. If it doesn't have, then this other part has to go up. The other part has to go down this way. Let's see if it's going to power on. Yes, success. It's on. Let's try it and see if it's going to flash. We can't make it flash. I don't know what's wrong, but in the next video that I will make, trust me, I'll know how to use it. So this is the speed light. It feels good holding it. We have the soft box. I won't lie guys, I'd opened this soft box because I wanted to see what was inside, and let me show you what I found out. This is a soft box. It's quite small, but I think because I'm a beginner, it doesn't matter. A bigger one as I keep on learning how to use them. I think this is the mount. We are going to practice putting these things together and see how it is going to look. I think these are the diffusers. So you don't want to miss out the next video, guys, because we're going to connect these things together. But let me show you the softbox. It's tiny. Look at it. This is how it looks. In the next video, guys, I promise I'm going to open it all and show you how big it is, how it looks. Yes, but for now, guys, this is what you'll see. First thing that we have, it's this stand from Kaisi. I can't be able to straight it here, but I promise the coming video I'm going to show you all these things. We're going to connect them together and see if we manage to take good photos with this setup. Yes, and if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss out on these amazing things that we are going to do. Remember, we are learning photography as we go. Yeah, so don't miss out. Subscribe to the channel. That's all that I had for you today. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and remember to join me on the next video, because we'll be trying to use these things outdoor and see how they are going to perform. And remember to always be yourself. Until next time, peace.